the top 6 vitamins to repair your nerves. Today's video is all about nerve repair and the vitamins that can help us achieve it. Our nervous system is one of the most crucial parts of our body, responsible for sending and receiving signals to and from the brain. And just like any other part of our body, it requires proper nourishment to function optimally. In this video, we will be discussing the top 6 vitamins that can help repair nerves and keep our nervous system healthy. These vitamins are essential for nerve growth and maintenance and can help alleviate symptoms of nerve damage. So, without further delay, let's dive into the top 6 vitamins for nerve repair.
Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. So, speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns.
Number 1. Vitamin B1, Thiamine. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is one of the essential B-complex vitamins required for various bodily functions, including nerve function. It is an important coenzyme in the metabolism of carbohydrates, which is the primary source of energy for the body. Thiamine is also involved in the production of neurotransmitters, which are the chemicals that transmit signals in the nervous system. When nerve damage occurs due to various reasons, including injury, diabetes, alcoholism, or nutritional deficiencies, it can lead to nerve degeneration and dysfunction. This can result in a range of symptoms, such as tingling, numbness, weakness, pain, and even paralysis in severe cases. Nerve damage requires adequate nutrition for recovery, and vitamin B1 is one of the essential nutrients required for nerve repair. Here are some of the ways in which vitamin B1 can help in repairing nerves. 1. Promotes nerve growth. Vitamin B1 is involved in the production of nerve growth factor, NGF, a protein that promotes the growth and repair of nerves. NGF is essential for the survival and maintenance of nerve cells, and vitamin B1 deficiency can result in reduced NGF levels, leading to nerve damage and degeneration. 2. Enhances nerve conductivity. Vitamin B1 is involved in the production of myelin, the fatty sheath that covers and insulates nerve fibers. Myelin is essential for the efficient transmission of nerve signals, and vitamin B1 deficiency can lead to demyelination, which can result in nerve dysfunction. By promoting the production of myelin, vitamin B1 can help enhance nerve conductivity and function. 3. Reduces oxidative stress. Nerve damage can result in the production of reactive oxygen species, ROS, which are harmful molecules that can damage cells and tissues. Vitamin B1 is an antioxidant that can neutralize ROS and reduce oxidative stress, which can help protect nerves from further damage and promote their repair. 4. Improves energy metabolism. Vitamin B1 is involved in the metabolism of carbohydrates, which is the primary source of energy for the body. Adequate energy supply is essential for the repair and maintenance of nerves, and vitamin B1 deficiency can result in reduced energy production, leading to nerve dysfunction. By improving energy metabolism, vitamin B1 can provide the necessary fuel for nerve repair and function. Number 2. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays an important role in nerve repair. Here are some ways that vitamin C can help in repairing nerves. 1. Collagen synthesis. Collagen is a protein that is essential for the health of connective tissue, including the nerve sheath. Vitamin C is required for the synthesis of collagen, which helps to maintain the structural integrity of the nerve sheath. Without enough vitamin C, the nerve sheath can become weak and susceptible to damage. 2. Antioxidant properties. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps to protect nerves from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, including nerve cells. Vitamin C neutralizes free radicals, which helps to prevent nerve damage and promote nerve repair. 3. Immune system support. Vitamin C also plays a role in supporting the immune system, which can be important for nerve repair. When nerves are damaged, the immune system responds by sending immune cells to the area to clean up debris and promote healing. Vitamin C helps to support this immune response, which can promote nerve repair. 4. Neurotransmitter synthesis. Vitamin C is required for the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that transmit signals between nerve cells. Without enough vitamin C, the synthesis of neurotransmitters can be disrupted, which can impair nerve function and slow down the repair process. Number 3. Vitamin D, Cholecalciferol. Vitamin D, also known as cholecalciferol, is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for the proper functioning of the human body. It plays a crucial role in maintaining bone health, regulating calcium and phosphorus levels in the blood, and supporting the immune system. However, recent research has suggested that vitamin D may also play a critical role in repairing damaged nerves. When these nerves are damaged, it can lead to a range of conditions, such as neuropathy, multiple sclerosis, and Parkinson's disease. Vitamin D has been found to play a critical role in the repair and regeneration of damaged nerves. It does so by promoting the production of nerve growth factors, which are essential for the growth and survival of nerve cells. Vitamin D also promotes the formation of myelin. One study published in the Journal of Neurochemistry found that vitamin D could promote the regeneration of damaged nerve cells in mice. The researchers found that vitamin D increased the production of nerve growth factors and promoted the growth of new nerve cells in the damaged areas of the mouse brain. Another study published in the Journal of Steroid Biochemistry and Molecular Biology found that vitamin D could protect against the damaging effects of oxidative stress on nerve cells. Additionally, studies have suggested that vitamin D may play a role in preventing nerve damage in the first place. One study published in the journal BMC Neurology found that people with low vitamin D levels were more likely to develop peripheral neuropathy, a condition in which the nerves in the feet and hands are damaged. These findings suggest that maintaining optimal levels of vitamin D may be essential for preventing and treating nerve damage. So, how can you ensure that you are getting enough vitamin D? The primary source of vitamin D is through exposure to sunlight. When the skin is exposed to sunlight, it produces vitamin D3, which is then converted to its active form in the liver and kidneys. However, many people do not get enough sunlight exposure due to their lifestyle, geography, or skin color. Therefore, vitamin D supplements and fortified foods are also an excellent source of the vitamin. Number 4. Vitamin E, Alpha-Tocopherol. Vitamin E, also known as Alpha-Tocopherol, is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy nerve function. It is an antioxidant that helps protect the body from the harmful effects of free radicals. Studies have shown that vitamin E may be effective in repairing nerve damage and reducing the symptoms of neuropathy. Here are some ways in which vitamin E can help. 1. Antioxidant properties. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body from the harmful effects of free radicals. By neutralizing free radicals, vitamin E can help prevent or reduce the severity of nerve damage. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can damage nerve cells and cause neuropathy. Vitamin E has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. 3. Improving blood flow. Nerve cells require a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients to function properly. Poor blood flow can contribute to nerve damage and neuropathy. Vitamin E can help improve blood flow by dilating blood vessels and reducing the stickiness of blood platelets. 4. Protecting myelin. Vitamin E can help protect myelin from damage by free radicals and other toxins. 5. Supporting nerve regeneration. Nerves can regenerate and repair themselves, but this process can be slow and incomplete. Vitamin E can help support nerve regeneration by promoting the growth of new blood vessels and stimulating the production of nerve growth factors. In one study published in the Journal of Clinical Neurophysiology, researchers found that vitamin E supplementation improved nerve conduction velocity in patients with diabetic neuropathy. Another study published in the Journal of the Peripheral Nervous System found that vitamin E supplementation improved symptoms of chemotherapy-induced neuropathy in breast cancer patients. Number 5. Vitamin B12, Cobalamin. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, this vitamin plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of nerve cells and supporting their growth and repair. How vitamin B12 helps in nerve repair? Vitamin B12 plays a critical role in the maintenance and repair of nerve cells. It is involved in the formation of the myelin sheath. The myelin sheath helps to speed up the transmission of nerve impulses, allowing for efficient communication between nerve cells. Vitamin B12 also plays a role in the synthesis of DNA, the genetic material that controls the growth and repair of cells. This is particularly important for nerve cells, which are constantly exposed to damage from various sources. In addition to its role in nerve cell growth and repair, vitamin B12 also helps to regulate the levels of homocysteine in the body. Homocysteine is an amino acid that can be toxic to nerve cells when present in high levels. Vitamin B12 helps to convert homocysteine into a non-toxic form, reducing the risk of nerve damage. Implications for individuals with nerve damage. For individuals with nerve damage, vitamin B12 supplementation may be beneficial in promoting nerve repair and reducing symptoms, such as pain, numbness, and tingling. Studies have shown that vitamin B12 supplementation can improve nerve function in individuals with diabetic neuropathy, a common form of nerve damage associated with diabetes. In addition to diabetic neuropathy, vitamin B12 supplementation may also be beneficial for individuals with other forms of neuropathy, such as those caused by chemotherapy or alcohol abuse. It is worth noting that vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products, such as meat, fish, and dairy. This means that individuals following a vegan or vegetarian diet may be at risk of vitamin B12 deficiency. In such cases, supplementation or fortified foods may be necessary to ensure adequate intake of this essential nutrient. Number 6. Vitamin K, Phylloquinone. Vitamin K is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in blood clotting bone health and cardiovascular health. However, recent research has shown that vitamin K may also play a vital role in nerve repair and regeneration. The role of vitamin K in the body. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting, which is why it is commonly known as the clotting vitamin. There are two main forms of vitamin K: vitamin K1, Phylloquinone, and vitamin K2, menaquinone. Vitamin K1 is found in leafy green vegetables, while vitamin K2 is produced by bacteria in the gut and is also found in animal products. Vitamin K plays a vital role in the body's clotting system by activating clotting factors that help stop bleeding when a blood vessel is damaged. It also helps to keep calcium in the bones and out of the arteries, which can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Vitamin K and nerve repair. The nervous system is composed of neurons, which transmit information throughout the body, and glial cells, which provide support and protection for the neurons. When nerves are damaged, often they require help from the body's repair mechanisms. Studies have shown that vitamin K is involved in the production of a protein called Gas6, which is necessary for the survival and regeneration of nerve cells. Gas6 helps to activate a protein called ACT, which promotes cell survival and regeneration. When vitamin K is deficient, Gas6 levels are reduced, and nerve cells may not be able to repair themselves as effectively. How to get enough vitamin K? The recommended daily intake of vitamin K for adults is 90 micrograms for women and 120 micrograms for men. Most people can get enough vitamin K through their diet, especially if they eat a variety of green leafy vegetables, such as spinach, kale, and broccoli. Other sources of vitamin K include liver, eggs, cheese, and meat. However, some people may be at risk of vitamin K deficiency, including those who have difficulty absorbing fat, such as people with Crohn's disease or cystic fibrosis. Additionally, People who take certain medications, such as antibiotics or blood thinners, may be at risk of vitamin K deficiency. We hope you found this information useful and informative. We covered 6 key vitamins that can aid in nerve repair and function. Each of these vitamins plays a vital role in maintaining healthy nerve function, and incorporating them into your diet can help promote nerve health and aid in the healing process. Remember, while vitamins can play an important role in nerve repair, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope to see you again soon for more informative content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.